Is Windows failing to load because of the SQL Server Native Client 11 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we begin our SQL Server Native Client 11 troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the SQL Server Native Client 11, the Microsoft SQL Server Native Client 11.0 library. It provides the OLE DB and ODBC drivers for high-performance connections to SQL servers. It is a mandatory requirement for many enterprise accounting and ERP tools. If missing, the app will report provider sqlncli11 not found, preventing any connection to the database backend. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. sqlncli11 is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered SQL Server Native Client 11 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Most individual downloads of SQL Server Native Client 11 DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing SQL Server Native Client 11. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for SQL Server Native Client 11 or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.